How to fix this experience is restricted in Roblox. So as you can see right here, I have the issue where it says this experience is restricted by your parental controls. So you can fix this by going to your settings here at the top right in the gear icon. Just click on that, then click on settings. Then wait for it to load. Then go to parental controls right here. Then as you can see, mine is set to all ages. So just simply set it to 17 plus right here. And as you can see, it is now set to 17 plus. So I had my account unlocked earlier. That's why there was no pin. But if you will change it for you and you selected an option right here, this option will pop up where you will need to enter a pin attached to your account. So if you know the pin, what you need to do is just simply input the pin right there. But if you don't know the pin, you may ask maybe your parents or your friend or your brother, sister, or anyone or someone that made this pin to your account. So I know mine, so I'm just gonna input it right here. Just simply click on unlock. So just gonna do it again. Just like so. As you can see, the pin is now saved successfully. So earlier what I was saying is that I had my pin unlocked. So when I click on any of the settings right here, it just changed since the pin had 5 minutes till it can be locked again. So now we could also disable the parent pin so that every time you change a setting, you could just change it without needing to input the pin. I'm just gonna click this right here. You will need to put the 6-digit code. So I have mine right here. I'm just gonna input it. Just like so, and click on verify. Now as you can see, parent pin has been removed, and now I'm gonna go back to the same game and let's see if it is now playable. So it was Blox Fruits, and when we go back, now as you can see, you can now play the Blox Fruits. And that's how I basically fix this experience is restricted by your parental controls in Roblox.